Hello friend, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, you will learn how to uninstall apps without leaving leftovers in Windows. But before we start, please kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the bell icon in order to get notified of our future videos. Also, like and share this video. Thank you. Let's begin. First, open your web browser and go to google.com. In the search box, type Revo Uninstaller and press enter. Click on the first search result. Click on the Downloads tab. Go to the Revo Uninstaller Pro section and click on Free Trial. Now, wait for your download to complete. Click on the Downloaded Setup to start the installation. Click on Yes. Select your preferred language and click on OK. Accept the license agreements and click on Next. Click on Next. Click on Next again. Now, click on Install. Click on Finish. Launch Revo Uninstaller Pro. This is the interface of Revo Uninstaller Pro. Select the application you want to uninstall. Double-click on the app you want to uninstall. You can choose to enable the System Restore Point and the Registry Backup, but in this video, I will uncheck both options. Click on Continue. Now, uninstall the application using the normal uninstallation process. After installation, select Advanced and click on Scan. The scanning will scan the registry and the hard disk for leftover files, and this will take some time, so exercise some patience. These are the leftover files from the registry. Click on Select All. Now, click on Delete and click on Yes. These are also the leftover files from the hard disk. Click on Select All. Click on Delete and click on Yes. Click on OK. The rest of the leftover files will be removed after restart. Click on Finish. That is how you uninstall apps without leaving leftovers in Windows. Thanks for watching. Please kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the bell icon in order to get notified of our future videos. Also, like and share this video. Thank you.